being like labeled as a loser, like just not being accepted by someone is a huge, huge fear.
Hello.
How are you?
Did you think she's gonna stop?
No.
I see you mixing colors a lot. Like you're basically looking like you're going on a hike. And like very practical, kind of. Obviously the shoes, very practical, very comfortable, right? The matching of this is like, it's very like hiker, mountaineer look.
It's not what I'm going for, so thank you for pointing that out. Yeah.
Good. I like it. I love this conversation because there was so many times where you could have ended it and you didn't, and it was very good. Right? There was like a little pauses.
Yes.
And you kept going. Where other guys would have been like, well, anyway, my friend is waiting and I need to get back. And so, but you kept going. And you see how she warmed up gradually, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Put the team on my back. Never fold, never crack. The wolf always roll with a pack. Now tell me how you like that.
Being like labeled as a loser, like just not being accepted by someone is a huge, huge fear. That's the number one. I think also just not looking good, like just not looking smooth or just
behaviorally.
Yeah,
Right.
like being awkward. The cringe, I think, as Alex calls it. Yeah, lying in the cringe.
Embrace the cringe.
Embrace the cringe. Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
You should talk to her.
What's the line?
The line is, I walked past you and you had a funny expression, so I got curious about you.
I want to work on my pausing more, my presence. I can come off as analytical a lot of times, and so I want to just be in the moment with other people, especially beautiful women.
Like I mentioned, the first 5 seconds are so crucial. And you want to come in, on the one hand, calibrated, or also very giving, right? Because in the first 5 seconds, we're risking getting rejected. So the more you open your heart there, the better, because people are going to respect that.
Hello.
Hi.
I just walked past you and you had this funny expression on your face. I just want to come say hello.
Okay, hi.
Hi. What are you up to over here? Are you?
I'm with my friend, she's closing.
Oh, she's closing? Do you work here?
No, I don't.
Okay. What's your name? You look a little nervous. I'm not here to sell you anything. I just thought you looked kind of cute and wanted to come say hello.
Hi.
I like it. I love this conversation because there was so many times where you could have ended it and you didn't, and it was very good. Right? There was like a little pauses.
Yes.
And you kept going. Where other guys would have been like, well, anyway, my friend is waiting and I need to get back. And so, but you kept going. And you see how she warmed up gradually, right?
Yes.
The beginning, not standoffish, but just still like, what is this?
She was doing like this. Yeah.
And then in the end, let's go on a date.
Hi, Jonathan.
Nice to meet you.
Do you live in Sofia?
Yeah.
How long have you lived here?
I was born here.
Born here. Okay. Do you work or study?
I'm studying
Right on. What do you study?
law.
A lawyer. That's cool. I grew up around a lot of lawyers. My mom worked at a law school back in Texas.
So you're from America?
I'm from America, yes.
Are you from Texas or
Yes, Texas.
how is the hurricane?
The hurricane was pretty brutal. Yeah, not as bad as Florida and the other coasts. We're mainly okay. Have you been to the States?
No.
No?
So there's an incredible lesson, I think, in this interaction of like, if you just fucking stay grounded and just trust the silence and the pause and create enough space that she asks you questions, which she eventually also did,
Yes.
right? You ask like 3 or 4 questions and then you just paused and then she started asking questions, which is like, wow, amazing.
Well, what kind of law do you want to practice?
Criminal law, probably. Yeah.
Do you like to punish people?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I just like looking at murder. I like looking at the evil.
You like looking at murder?
I like looking at the evil in the world. Yeah.
Huh. What attracts you to evil?
It's just interesting because I'm not.
You're not evil?
Yeah, I'm not evil. So I'm curious. I want to understand it better.
Yeah, I don't know. With those eyes, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Well,
Topic's good. What attracts you to evil is a good challenging question. What are you analyzing? Like, you ask some good, like, challenging questions and in a fun way. So you're naturally good at that, seems like, or you learned it over time.
No, it was today.
What's today?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was working on that stuff today with
Nice.
Harry. So
Perfect.
yeah, I studied psychology. I was a researcher, so the mind fascinates me and how people can do the things that they do.
do you practice? Like, are you working with people, or you're just like analyzing, like doing researches, stuff like that?
A little bit of both. So I've conducted research and then I work with people, not in a clinical setting.
I see.
I love analyzing. What are you analyzing right now?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
There's something going on in your mind.
My eyes are watering and I'm trying to figure out why.
What do you do for fun in Sofia?
Се опитвам да разбера, аз обяснявам, че ми сълзата чете и не мога да разбера защо и си отизгаш така сякаш плаче. Аха, социално не мога да разбера защо. И някой ми снима.
Are you saying positive things?
No, I'm explaining to her, I mean, yes, I'm explaining to her what I'm saying because she couldn't hear. I told her about my eyes.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's, I don't know, I've been like this all day, so.
Well, I'd love to take you and get a coffee and talk further.
Now, because I have a plan. I have this group presentation that I have to finish, and it's due next week.
Sounds urgent.
It is. It is. I have to go at like 6.
Let's do it. Let's do it tomorrow.
What date is tomorrow? Oh, it's Friday. Yeah. I'm busy until 5:30.
Okay.
After that, I'm free.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be at university.
Okay. How about sometime after 5:30, like 7:30-ish?
All right. Just
Okay.
let me check my. I want to check my schedule so that I don't lie to you.
How did you feel in that? Because probably there was some pressure or not, I don't know.
Yeah, there's a little bit of pressure at first because I could tell she was like, "What the hell is this?" And I wanted to like alleviate that in some way. And then those pauses were a little uncomfortable.
Yeah, for sure. But that's where it happens, right? That's where she gets attracted to you, because you were able to handle those pauses. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And on the close, last little change, you can compliment her again and tell her why you want to see her again.
Okay.
Right? You can say, "Hey, I know you're evil, but it's fun talking to you anyway. I want to take you out for a coffee." Right?
Of a scarcity mindset of thinking that I needed to be with the woman that I was like dating, like committing way too soon and early. And so, yeah, that's been a pattern in my dating life. What's your WhatsApp?
My WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Let me write my number.
Let me change.
The code 359.
Will you type your name? Because I will not spell it correctly.
Okay. Ciao.
Cool. I'll send you a WhatsApp. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. See you soon.
Good luck on your studies.
I'm checking what that was good.
You're good, man.
That was
Thank
cool.
What do I text her? I just like send her a message right now. So she has my WhatsApp.
Yeah. Just send an emoji.
Oh,
No, don't even the name. Just send an emoji.
what's the emoji?
Evil.
Oh, it's
Evil.
good. Yeah,
That
evil
purple
face.
one. Let's go. Yeah, that one.
She was absolutely gorgeous. Like
I know,
She, yeah,
that's
she
why I
was.
saw her.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like, all right, go.
Cool.
The students in workshops always like, how do you see those girls? Like she's hiding in a little corner. Like, sharp. Nah, she was beautiful.
She was really pretty.
Yeah. All right.
And intelligent. Like, yeah. Evil. More. Yeah. She's.
Evil.
Yeah. Studying murder.
Yeah, which I'm attracted to. That's crazy.
Yo, before we jump back, a quick update. I'm just on my last holiday here before the workshop season starts again. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm about to go snowboarding. Wanted to update you guys on the workshop schedule. We're going to Berlin, we're going to Warsaw, we're going to New York City, and we're going to London. Those spots fill up. If you want to work with me and my team, like the guys here in the workshop documentary do, and want to change your dating life, then book a free consultation call now, and we can discuss your situation and we see what fits and what doesn't fit for you. Let's go back to the episode.
And as you guys maybe noticed, once you've done a bunch of approaches, you're just gonna be in the character of the seducer a bit more, and then it instantly transports onto the woman, right? So if you can really, like I've had times where I'm really warmed up and I'm just that guy, and girls see it and they see it in your eyes. And then you can literally walk up to a girl and just say, hi, what's your name? And they know, there's no need for any words. They know you're Alex and you're here to tell her that she's beautiful and you want to get to know her and you were curious, and then she's just like, hi. And then it starts. And then maybe you make out within 3 minutes. It can happen, right? Like instant makeouts are magical, but they only happen when kind of like you're in that flow. You can't force it on the first approach, it's impossible. But yeah, a lot of sub-communication can happen for that.
I like to go have some fun, spread some social joy,
Okay.
and like kind of lower expectations.
We can tell her, wow, you're really standing out with that pink thing.
So that's what I need work on, is like making observations.
Yeah, let's go.
Run behind
Were you listening to me, Neo? Or were you looking at the woman in the red dress? I was. Look again.
Hello. How are you?
Did you think she's gonna stop?
No.
And she knew that you think that she's not gonna stop.
Yeah. I wasn't fully committed to that one. I didn't have a line.
Yeah. You don't need a line. You can just say hi, pause, and then use the pause to come up with a line.
Okay.
That's why the pause is really good. I never have a line.
Yeah. It's improv. It's bringing me back to improv training. It's going there without a line.
Yeah.
That's what they tell you. You start a scene and don't know what the hell you're going to say.
But when you ask me what you say, I also just made something up.
Yeah, well, you're better at it. That's why I asked you. Number the supermarket after the day it ended to get some food. And there was this woman who started engaging us. She's been very playful. Said goodbye, and then I went back up on the escalator and she started like yelling at me. I was like, all right, I know what this is. So I approached her and she asked what we were doing in Bulgaria. I said we're doing a workshop to talk to women on the street. And she thought like we were selling drugs or something, that was a cover up. And so I was like, no, that's what we're doing. We're learning how to talk to strangers, especially beautiful women. She said, prove it. So this guy was walking. I said, hey man, can I ask you a question? What did you do as a kid for fun? And it opened up this beautiful conversation. He was from Saudi Arabia, moved to Sofia, and she was like, well, I was like, all right, your turn. And she was with a friend too, so it was two women. And at the end, I was like, you seem to look really fun. I want to get to know you more. And so she's like, you want my LinkedIn? I said, no, I don't. And I pulled out my phone and gave her WhatsApp. She's like, oh, you're asking for my number. She put it in, and she put in like a funny line, like shopping cart girl or something.
Nice.
I was like, all right, I got to get some food. And then just peaced out. So it was a fun ending to the night.
Very nice, yeah. Fun things can start to happen when you're just in that social flow, right? Okay.
That was the cool thing about today too, is just getting rejected or is like not taking it personal. It's all right.
Nice.
So and my heart wasn't racing. When we first talked, I said the goal was to approach without hesitation. That happened today. There's no hesitation.
Okay.
It was fucking badass.
Yeah. Hug her hands properly and drop it. That was good.
You're beautiful. How bad does it hurt when the sun burns your skin? What was the last movie you cried at?
Okay, good. Also easy.
Yes, yeah. Well, yeah, it felt long, like the pauses, yes.
They feel long, and the goal is to find comfort in that stillness.
Okay, I take deep breaths, so yeah. It felt actually really good.
Yes, right? It can, like, there's a moment where you just let go and you like just be, okay, this is just normal now. I'm just standing here now. This is the shift we want to get to.
Do you have a dog?
Angry.
Where did you hide the remote?
Why are you screaming?
Did you not hear me?
Inferior, worthless, insignificant.
Would you go on a date with me?
Where would we go?
Can I have some money?
I didn't hear you.
Do you know who I am?
Point.
I'm wanting to open myself up, be vulnerable, get to know these guys that I'm doing the work with, and have fun and challenge myself and grow.
So I've been thinking what would suit you guys. I see you mixing colors a lot. Like you're basically looking like you're going on a hike. And like very practical, kind of. Obviously the shoes, very practical, very comfortable, right? And I get that. And then the matching of this is like, it's very like hiker, mountaineer look.
It's not what I'm going for, so thank you for pointing that out, yeah.
Good. What I like is the black kind of style, because it works in so many different ways. First of all, it takes away the thinking of combining colors. There's different ways of doing black, right? That's the elegant black, leather shoes, kind of suit pants and jacket. That's one way of looking black. Then there is the way more sporty casual black look. Then there's the kind of like cool boy black look. And that's like the basic black look. I guess we need jeans as well for that look. We're gonna do one look with jeans and one look with this black t-shirt tucked in and these shoes. Like super simple for now. The color, and this is a yes. Now, let's switch it up to... So, too tight? Okay, so we have 32, or it's a medium. Yeah, these are too tight. Yeah, okay, that's well. Yeah, that's the look. That's the look.
Yeah, legend status, ask about the name. I've been putting in work, collecting, fuck the fame. Up in the stat while they watching the 10 in the game. Either you in it or just a critic, man, we ain't the same. I'm focused on making this history. Into my top 5 list is listing me. I never got an L on pass, this ain't no breeze. I had to make the workout.